Mateen here. I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on the SPA exhaust manifold for the 2JZ. I've been running it for about 4 years now, and I just have had no issues at all with this product. It's a really good product if you're in the market to buy a exhaust manifold and you're looking for something with OEM reliability and slightly upgraded performance and the ability to put a T4 turbo onto your 2JZ. I highly recommend this part. I've been running it, beating on it 4 years, no problem, no leaks, no nothing, no cracking, nothing at all. So I highly recommend this part. It's relatively inexpensive for an exhaust manifold. So if you're looking for good response, good mid-range power, little good decent top-end power, I highly recommend getting the SPA exhaust manifold. Thank you.